Hey guys, Pigs and Guns here. I wanted to talk to you today about a movement that's going on right now. It's called Fight the Noise. It's being run by SilencerCo, and basically they want to get the word out that we are here, gun owners, suppressor owners, and just spread the word that we're here, we need to be accounted for. And it's a real simple movement. All you have to do is go to their website, and I'll have a link below, and sign up for Fight the Noise. It's free, and they're going to send you a little pack with a black tape that says Fight the Noise, and you put that over your face. You can hold a firearm. You don't have to have a silencer or anything. And just post the pictures on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you have access to, and just be shown and get the numbers out and let people see that we are out here. And for this, they're also going to have a monthly drawing to get a free gun trust, free silencers, so you kind of win as well. So get to take some cool pictures, support SilencerCo and American Suppressor Association, which does a lot for fight for our rights, for suppressed users and non-suppressed users. So just go out there, and if you want to make another video, if you want to put it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just put hashtag Fight the Noise. And like I said, I'm going to have all the information for you below. They've been fighting for many years for our rights. For all you hunters out there, they've helped get hunting legalized in most states, the ones that didn't have it already, and they're continuing to fight for our rights. They're fighting the NFA and the ATF every day. I mean, they're very proactive, and there's a lot of other silencer companies out there that are fighting for our rights, but they've really set the bar high for trying to fight for us. So you go ahead and support them. I support them by buying their products. Support them by supporting their Fight the Noise movement. The reason I'm making this video is because I was just curious to see how many people had put up videos or photos, and all I saw was the employees. I was like, really? I mean, you really don't have to wait for some tape that says Fight the Noise on it. I mean, you could put some black tape and just, pose or whatever. So just get out there, register on the website, and let them be known, and I'm going to throw in some footage of me fighting the noise. So everyone go support SilencerCo, and if you need to get some equipment here, you can't buy it from them directly. There's some good companies out there. You can go check out the websites, and I'll have the links below as well. Capital Armory, Silencer Shop. So go check them out as well. And there's other good manufacturers. I'm not just one trick pony here. I mean, Dead Air Silencers, AAC, Liberty. Not nothing bad about Liberty. It just came out that way. But a lot of good companies, and there's also some really great silencer channels as well. The NFA Review channel. He also has a website and a Facebook site. There's Shooter SD72. There's a good forum called SilencerTalk. It has everything that has to do with NFA products. And for you guys who already have something pending, you've already sent in your paperwork, NFATracker.com is very useful. I mean, it's user submitted data, so you got to take it with a grain of salt, but it really does help track your products. And if you're curious about the whole NFA world, how to get into it, how to get these products, SilencerCo's website has all the information you need. It has they even have the trust there. You can just easily set it up. They pretty much just make it easy for you. And they also have through certain dealers, I think it's called the Blue Label program. So you can, if you're a retired veteran, EMT, certain positions qualify, you could even get a discount on the products as well. So guys, again, it's hashtag Fight the Noise. Go support SilencerCo and Fight the Noise. first shots here. Whoa.